quickly wanted to go over how to lock a device to a specific access point in the UniFi home network system. So here we're looking at the network topology layout. It's this second icon here on the left. Click it, it goes to the topology, and we're looking at how my network is set up. So we have my unified security gateway here. We have my switch. Then we have all the hardwire items here. Then we have the access point 1, access point 2, and access point 3, which is connected directly to access point 1. So typically when I'm using my cell phone, I'm in one area and pretty much connecting to a specific access point. So my Galaxy phone is this item here, right? And it's constantly connecting to this access point. However, I would prefer the only thing to connect to this access point to be this item over here, this other access point, because these items over here are high bandwidth items. So what I want to do is instead have my Samsung Galaxy phone connect to this access point here, which is literally in the window right in front of me. So we're going to click on the Galaxy item here, click the settings icon. I'm going to go to lock to access point, and it's currently locked onto that doorway access point, but we're going to switch it to this window one here by select a different access point. I'm going to select the window access point. I'm going to select save. Please confirm. I'm going to select continue. Apply changes. Settings changes have been applied. And shortly you're going to see this Galaxy device drop off of this access point and join this one. I hope. So then I don't look like a... There we go. So now we see the Samsung Galaxy device on the other access point. I'll worry about this iPad another time.